So I've got open switch hitter just to help me. I've got my keyboard here. When I press down, for example, do it with the Q button. If I press down the switch, it comes up that it recognizes it. As soon as I let go, it takes a while for it to recognize that I've let go of the switch. I'm pressing the W switch now. Recognized it. Now I've let go. That's gone green saying that I've let go. And there is over a 2000 millisecond delay on every key switch. I'll just show you on Notepad as well what happens. So I'm pressing the Q switch now. I've let go as soon as it's recognized, as soon as the letters come up, and then it just repeats the letter, and it takes a while for it to stop the actual key switch.